So what does this really mean? Return only the most centered image containing the target. It does kind of make sense in certain cases because of the tiles and where they are in the sky. It may be in certain cases that you really do want the WISE image service to only give you the tile that is most centered on whatever position of the sky you're asking for. But it can come back to bite you in some unexpected ways. I'm going to tell it M16, but only give me the most centered image, but I'm going to ask it for all of the image sets, Atlas, search. Now it's come back with only one row in the Atlas list, and it's given me only 3 bands here in the data pane. What it's telling me is that this is actually one part of a 3-band cryo observation. That's why there are only 3 bands. So if I was hoping to get a 4-band set by picking most centered image, then this is not giving me the results that I want. I think in most cases, most users probably should leave that on no, because then when you search out of the results, you can pick what you think really is the best image set, whether you want the all sky, all WISE, 3-band cryo, post cryo, neo-WISE reactivation. If you have all of the results to choose from, then you get to pick which one is the best. In the case of M16 in particular, it really does fall pretty much near the center of the tile. If you go to the coverage map, you can see it really is kind of the center of the tile. So any tile you pick is going to be okay for M16. But in certain cases, it might matter. You might be able to find a better tile more suited to whatever your needs are if you have them all to choose from.